the day I prayed for to cover the sun. Heavy the weight of dry here and dry to come. Greater the faith when black cloud did form in the sky. Many the day so come the rain to beat so hard on the land. So come the flood to destroy the work of our hands. So come the tears ripping and shredding our plans. So come the rain, but don't you cry for me, great believers. There's nothing more to do, nothing more here that we can do. We're broken now, but believe me, we'll be there. We'll build ourselves anew. We will build ourselves anew. Oh, 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 the morning will come, so with it the sun, till again it is night, and we will work and fight. We will work and fight to rebuild and right all the damaged homes. Every man I know has the will to carry on, to carry on. So don't you cry for me, brave believers. There's nothing more to do, nothing more here that we can do. We're broken now, but believe